drop.
Yeah, we got shit, boy. Hey, prison, Hashtag, hey, prison. We'll put that shit on there, too.
My name's Thomas Arriaga, and that's Foolish 59.
I wonder what y'all mind.
Hope you don't mind.
5 minutes. You know
Couple minutes. Oh, get, flame. Oh, this what.
All right, Thomas. How did you find this car? Because I already know the date. It's hard as fucking everybody want one. That's like a gem in the rough right there. So how did you find this one?
Well, I saw a dude that wanted to actually trade.
Really?
With my deuce, and I hit him up. I think he was on Cali Broker. Like 2-3 years ago, and I hit the dude up, and he said, "Yeah, send me a few pictures, man. Let me check it out." So I sent him. You know, me, I was like,
Right.
You know, he'll probably say nah, but it was worth a try. You know what I mean? And so I tried it. Dude said from all the deuces he's been getting for trade that mine was pretty clean. I was like, yeah. And he came and checked it out, and it went through, man.
A deuce for a 59.
Yeah, man.
Shit. Now, what kind of shape was it in when you got it?
A lot rougher. I was kind of scared to probably like rust and all that, but I was like, it's still a 9, you know?
Right.
So, but when I got here, I got it sandblasted. And we just found a few pinholes here and there, man. I was grateful.
So you did a full frame off?
Yeah, I did a full frame off. The frame came out of a 60. Only 59 and 60 fit. And got that one out of a 60 I had. And just sold the body. I just got it for parts.
Okay.
And got it. Started wrapping the frame here in my garage. Started slowly. Ordered all my suspension from West Coast.
Gotcha.
I did my 4.9 rear end. I got a 4.9 in the back. Chromed it out, reinforced it, and sent it back.
Now, I saw under the hood.
Yeah.
LS swap.
Yeah, man. I had to do it.
You can't beat an LS swap.
Yeah, I bought a LS and just started rebuilding it here. Just did a few things to it. Then, you know, I'm not too familiar with the wiring and all that.
Right.
On LSs, so I have my boy Trey from Crank and Chrome.
Okay.
Out of Tuscaloosa. He hooked me up, and he also did the paint.
Oh, really? He painted it too?
Yeah, he painted the two out there. And Big Wit had a lot to do with it too.
The homie Wit. I know Keith.
Yeah, so the homie had a lot to do with it. He put a lot of work into.
Okay.
And,
and that's over on his side of town anyway. Yeah.
That's how I know the dude.
Okay, gotcha.
Through Keith. Yeah.
Okay.
So, but yeah, Trey's a real cool dude. He's on Instagram too.
Okay. And I'll put that somewhere in the video too. Now, we know that you the hardline man out here in the South.
Hell.
Now, what was your idea for the truck? Because I know when you do hard lines and custom setups, when you work on your own stuff, it's
it was like
tedious.
It is, man. I was just kept, as you can see. Oh hell, all the fittings I got over there in the corner. It's had an idea, then had to completely scratch it. And I had to come get it, and then. That's how it is, man. Your mind just starts
all the time
rolling, and then it just starts getting snowballed.
Right.
And it gets bigger, and then you're like, damn, hold up, let me rewind.
Right.
And you gotta kind of rewind, and then I just like, all right, fuck it, I'm just gonna go with this route, and let's stick it to this route.
Right, because I know I hit you up before my car went in paint prison to hard out my setup.
Right.
Now it's going. Once I get it back, it's still coming to you to get the setup straight.
Sure, man.
But that's definitely gonna work. Now, and you got did you redo all of the trim on the car? Because it all looked fresh.
Yeah, all that's original besides the bumpers, the front bumpers, back bumper, and then the grill was caved in a little bit, and the grill around the hood, the trim was caved in.
Gotcha.
A guy helped me out with that out in North Georgia, out there in the mountains, and he straightened up all the trim and took it all out and polished it and everything. I mean, for what it is, he hooked it up.
Right, yeah. It came out super. I mean, it's almost flawless, dude.
Yeah, man.
It's almost flawless. Yeah. And the interior stayed stock with interior.
Still stock. Dude said that the car came from Louisiana when he got it. So he got a year's way before that. He just sit in his yard. So I just said, man, the interior looks still pretty clean. He's like, yeah. So I just kind of just left it as like that. I didn't want to mess with it. Oh,
yeah, that car is clean. Now, let everybody know. I see what's on your chest. Yeah. What car club you represent?
Obsession Car Club, man. You know, we roll out here.
Y'all got some heavy hitters.
Yeah,
some
man.
Heavy hitters out there, man.
Yeah,
I know. I've been around y'all for a long time. I know what y'all got and what y'all capable of, and y'all got some great cars.
Appreciate it.
Great cars. And now, while we here, real quick, we got to talk about the Cadillac.
Oh, mine.
I got to say something about the Cadillac.
Hell yeah.
When I saw it, I was floored last week. Tell me a little bit about that.
All right, just a little bit of the backstory.
Yeah.
That's a one-owner car. The original guy that had it, lived out in Sugar Hill.
Okay, Sugar Hill, Georgia.
Sugar Hill, Georgia, and he was original. He bought it original in Buckhead, Cadillac.
Really?
Yeah, it had the original Cadillac keys
right.
And everything. So the car is completely stock. So I didn't want to cut it, but one of my family members got put up for a little while. That was his.
Okay.
So I kind of bought it off of him, but
it did your thing.
Yeah, did my thing. But he's I promised him, hopefully, Eric, get out this year, homie. It's yours this year, homie. So yeah, he'll probably get it back. I just had to do a little thing, put it on the streets for him.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
He's gonna be ready then.
Yeah.
Oh, that's clean. All right, who you want to give a shout out to?
Oh man, my homie Edgar, he helped me, came through, and we did the undercoating. We knocked it out right here in the garage.
Okay.
My homie Jesus and David. I know you know David with the 63.
I know David. Yes, sir.
They both came to Jesus too. He's a one of the little homies. He's out there hanging around. So they came through almost every day, man. We grinded on that thing, trying to get it done ASAP. And of course, Brian, he did the ceramic coating. He's out in Chambly.
I know Brian.
Yeah, Brian.
I know. I'm gonna have to go to the shop too.
Yeah, man.
I know Brian.
It's nice, man. So he did the ceramic coating on it, and Big Wit and Trey from Crank and Chrome, man. Appreciate it. Thanks.
All right, that's what's up. All right,
Hell
future episode, we'll be back.
For sure.
When you hear what I
ESP 9 Floor exclusive holla. That's what it is, baby. We gon' take it there. P Batters. Remix, I got P Batters in the building. Man, you know the hood listening right now, baby. Hey, turn it up. It will be a big deal. So listen to me, I got a beautiful where we at, nigga? Let's go. I'm about cheese. You must be lactose intolerant. Spit bars of death. Pack toast for arguments. If something jump off, I don't wanna be slumped off. So I play my wolves close, trying to get jumps off. I wipe the crumbs off the table, got a clean plate. Cops don't roll deep enough to make my team shake. We handle our business, handling business. Got beef, handle your business. I eat that, you handle the dishes. Block work, make the world go round. It's clockwork, how the birds go down. Every time that the word go round, let a nigga stock up. He done Jacob the watcher, hating has shot up. I'm low key when I spot up. You real, but sound better than Carmen Jones singing the cops to avoid lockup. That's about as real as Monopoly dollars. Got dreams of ever stopping me, holler. Yo, I'm listed, yo, come with it. Put cats through fitness. Have you eating on all types of toast and biscuits? The sick and twisted, come get it. I buy the ribbon, right here. One of the boss that ever spit it. Straight up, yeah.